Hi, I'm Desiree Villario, clinical herbalist in St. Petersburg, Florida. I'm here to talk to you today about rosewood in aromatherapy. Rosewood has a floral, woody scent, and it is used to stabilize emotions and center awareness. There are three great ways that you can use it in aromatherapy. One is using a diffuser. Another is placing a few drops on a cotton ball and putting it in a Ziploc bag. You can carry it anywhere and just take a whiff of it as you need to center your awareness or stable your emotions. And then the third way is creating a salve or a balm that you can also carry with you, and you can sniff it as needed, or you can rub some of it on your temples. Using rosemary to enhance your memory is as easy as wafting the bottle under your nose to get that mental clarity and help you remember. So that's using rosewood in aromatherapy. I'm Desiree Villario in St. Petersburg, Florida.